with me and my best friends.
Whee! Whoosh! Woohoo!
Wow, you're full of energy, Tim.
It's not Tim, Paula. I'm the Flying Tim, the greatest superhero of all time.
Oh, what's your superpower, Tim? I mean, the Flying Tim?
Huh? Billy, it's flying, of course.
Oh, yeah. Flying Tim, there are some cookies for everybody on the table.
Cookies? Here I go! Whoosh!
Huh? Tim ate all the cookies. Tim, why didn't you wait and share?
What? Oh, sorry. I forgot. I got hungry from all the flying.
I'll get it. Paula speaking.
Paula, it's Mr. Garden Gnome. We had a bit of an accident and now we lost all our magic. Oh, and we're also floating.
Floating? That does sound like a problem. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right over.
Whoa, cool! You guys are flying!
What happened?
Oh, I was working on a new donut recipe, but when the others walked in, it exploded. That's when we started floating and our magic powers disappeared.
No worries, Mr. Garden Gnome. Let's help you find that cure.
Wonderful! We've collected all our magic books, hoping the cure is in one of them.
Sure. We can help with that.
Hey, Bubbles! Do you think you can make that donut explosion again?
Huh? Why would you want me to do that?
To find a cure. Yeah, if you show me what you did, then maybe we can figure out a cure.
Oh, that makes sense. Follow me.
You sure this is gonna explode?
For the donut recipe, I was supposed to add 3 mushrooms. But when the others walked in, I accidentally dropped in 1 more.
3 mushrooms? And 1 more? That's 4 mushrooms. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Uh-oh.
I haven't found a cure yet. What was that?
Woohoo! I can fly!
Bubbles, what did you do? We made another explosion hoping to find a cure. And did you find a cure? Not really.
Tim, did you trick Bubbles?
I am the Flying Tim, the greatest superhero ever!
But we haven't found a cure yet, Tim.
Ha! No worries, Billy. I can fly forever. I will never get bored and tired. I'm bored and tired.
Well, I still didn't find any cure.
Me neither. And we went through all the books.
We can read them again then. Sorry, Billy. Time for us to go home.
But what am I supposed to do?
You're going to have to live with it, Tim, and hope we do find a cure.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Garden Gnome, you're not floating anymore?
Hello, children.
What happened to your hair?
Ah, yes, we actually found a cure, but as a side effect, we've lost all our hair. Hi, everyone! And our magic still hasn't returned. It could come back any second now. Or it could take years.
Oh, well, too bad. I'm not taking that cure. I'd rather keep my hair. Huh?
The hair grows back.
Nuh-uh, not gonna happen.
I think I know what to do.
Donuts for everyone!
Yay! Yummy!
Donuts? Awesome! Here, I come! Huh? You guys ate all the donuts? Why didn't you wait and share?
Oh, sorry, Tim. We forgot. If only you took that cure.
Using donuts to trick me? I can't believe it. I will never take that cure now.
Careful of the wind up there, Tim.
Wind? What? Whoa! Guys, some help here?
Oh dear.
Ah!
Cal, get up that tree! Quickly!
Help isn't high enough for Tim.
I promise, I'll take that cure if you just get me down. Huh?
We're very happy to hear that, Tim.
Please let me keep my hair. Please let me keep my hair.
We took 5 drops of potion to cure our floating. We could try to give Tim 1 less. Then maybe his hair won't disappear.
5 drops, but 1 less? That would be 4 drops.
Open up, Tim. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It worked. And I still have all my hair. Woohoo!
Uh-oh.
What do you mean, uh-oh?
Tim, your eyebrows!
My eyebrows? What about them?
Bubbles, look. Our magic is back. Friends, no despair. Let's return all our hair.
Phew, no more floating for me. I promise.